Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the market-based edition. Fellow competitive speaking, Neo appears to be under a little bit of pressure. We're just going to pull up the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages on the daily just to kind of show you guys the behavior in between the two lines. We're also going to pull up our financial support line that we've been following. It's an ascending line. If you're new, we're going to reveal that for you here. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, consider joining us, but please do your fundamental research before we get started. We're only going to go over the price action, okay? Please, thank you. Come back. Welcome. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. All right, so today's May the 4th, 2021, and the current price of NEO is going to be $37.38. It's down approximately 5.5% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So we'll start with the financial support line. Okay, super simple. Yeah, if you're new, this is just a line that the market has been finding financial support on ever since. You could probably barely see this here, guys. Bear with me here. Like May the 20th, it's just kind of bouncing off that line, finding beautiful support. It actually built a very bearish pattern. Hopefully we'll leave a link for that and let you guys know what the bearish pattern is. Up until recently here in March the 25th, it actually broke below the financial support line. So it's super simple what NEO needs to do. It needs to get back above the financial support line, actually. And it's at like $45 right now. Yeah, still at $45. It needs to happen within a short period of time. And if this were to actually take place the way that I just put the path on the screen there, that would be like an inverted head and shoulders pattern. That's pretty bullish, right? And then it will break out to the upside. It's super important for NEO to do this in a short period of time because, again, the longer it waits, if you notice this ascending line, it kind of goes up depending on the time, right? So the longer it takes, the higher the level is in order to maintain the this financial support above this angled line. Okay, I didn't even measure what angle of a degree it is, but yeah, that's fine. It's not important. Also, one of the things that I noticed is there was a triple bottom here on this green line. If you notice that, that's really good. That's an interesting sign, right? 1, 2, 3 touch points. The only problem with what I'm seeing here is it did not make a higher high comparison to this area here at about March the 12th at like $46. So far, it's only made a lower low. So this is kind of an interesting sign that the market wants to continue lower. Okay, I realize this is kind of short-term price, predictions, Neo bulls there, but I mean that's all I'm doing here, guys. Just understanding the short-term fluctuations. I realize this isn't long-term investing. So yeah, if you are a long-term investor, guys, I mean, I'm just going over the short-term story. All right. So what I am noticing is kind of a small window of opportunity here is if you notice here at April the 1st, there was a $41 and then there was a higher high here at about April the 23rd at about 43. So that's actually good because remember on the channel, we only go over support, resistance, and patterns. And we look for higher highs and higher lows to verify an uptrend because it went up, down. This is actually a lower low here. And then when it made a higher high, so now the market just simply need to make a higher high in order to show some sign of strength that the market is not weak and it wants to continue higher. Although it is a negative screen, that doesn't bother me, guys. I look at the what's going on in the price action. Okay, so let's just kind of erase that for now. So in closing here, let's also take a look at the moving averages and let you know that the market has been perfectly bouncing in between the 50 and the 200 exponential moving. Here the 50. All right, that's the 200, and here's a 50. Okay, perfect. So what we're looking at here is like if you're new, it's super simple. So as long as the green line is well above the red line, then it is in a bull market. After it crosses, we've already gone over this on one of our previous videos. Notice the cross back here. Back in the June the 1st, 2020, I mean, the market literally exploded. So what we do not want to see in the bullish case, well, I'm not long the market right now, to be honest with you. But so when I say we, I shouldn't have said that. But what for the bullish case, what you want to see is the market just simply staying above the 200 exponential moving average at the worst case scenario. And that level is currently at about $36.41. Now, again, these are daily candles. And let's just say, even if the market tries to close a daily candle below the 200 exponential moving average, it's likely the buyers will step in immediately and at least try to protect this level as they have done 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. But it comes a time where the market players who are supporting the market, I mean, they run out of financial support and keeping the markets up, if that makes sense. So at some point here, if the market needs too much financial support at the 200 exponential moving average, then yeah, the market may want to continue lower. So let's let this play out. This isn't like a bearish or a bullish video. It's just letting you guys know where the market is in comparison with the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. It's like perfectly sandwiched in between the two, right? So I think it's going to get really interesting in the markets here. I truly think that the sellers realize that they have a unique opportunity to continue lower. But I think that this will probably take another, leading until the end of this month, we'll know the direction of NEO. Okay, I think there's too many bulls in this market. Yeah, I mean, even sensitive bulls, it's like so weird sometimes. Like if I say I'm going to bet against the market, it's like I don't know. I'm not even going to go there, guys. But I'm not saying where we are in the market anymore. It was just letting you guys know the price action. Okay. So that's pretty much it. You have the red line here is like 36 bucks, and the overhead green line is actually pretty important. This is where we enter the market right here. The green line is going to be at like $41.92. Okay, so if you see the market like kind of bounce up to that level, and then you see it kind of having a hard time getting above it, this way you'll know what's going on, right? It's a battle between the two, the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. So that's what I'll leave you guys out with, and yeah, it's showtime this month. At least 36 bucks if the market can't hold that level. Yeah, the sellers are taking control here, guys. And of course, 45, the same level I've been saying like over and over. $45. It needs to get above, stay above 45. And that's it. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Leave an appropriate thumb and a comment to support the channel. The YouTube algorithm picks up on that when you guys do that. Thank you for that. And also, if you're new, before you go, we go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. I think I said that once already. I'll say it a million times. I truly appreciate that. Take care of yourselves and execute your strategies out there and protect your portfolio. So we'll talk soon, and bye for now.